Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I want to talk about the importance of protein in a female's body. So without further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in. Protein is essential for our well-being and it helps us in a way that we cannot even imagine. It is very essential for our bones and muscle health. Not only that, it helps in providing us energy for our day-to-day tasks. So today's video is gonna be about this essential component that we hear too much about, but we do not pay so much attention to it. So yes guys, it is gonna be protein. We do understand that it is very important for a woman's well-being. Not only that, protein is great for managing weight, and on top of that, it is great for your nails, your skin, and for your hair as well. It is an all-rounder supplements, guys, which is going to take care of your nutritional and health requirements. And the protein I consume is Healthkart's HK Vitals Protein Up Women. And without a doubt, guys, you can supplement your diet with HK Vital Protein Up Women by Healthkart. I can vouch for this product because I have been using it from past couple of months and I have seen some amazing benefits for myself I didn't even imagine. HK Vital Protein Up Women is a complete comprehensive protein solution to all the women's, and I swear by it for obvious reasons. And this solution is formulated in the trusted house of Healthkart to help women with their daily strength and beauty requirements. So if you're someone who struggles with lack of energy and if you want to boost your immunity, hair and skin health, this is the product for you guys. When it comes to hair health, guys, this protein powder has 100% RDA of Biotin. It has vitamin C and vitamin E, which helps in giving you beautiful, nourished and stronger hair. It also has collagen, and collagen is great for your skin health, guys. We all know the benefits of collagen. It helps in fighting the signs of aging. So with this protein powder, you can definitely say goodbye to those wrinkles and fine lines. And do you remember in the beginning when I said that this protein powder is gonna help you in managing weight? So it has additional benefits of garcinia, kombucha and green tea extracts, which helps in managing your weight. And guys, this protein powder is a complete game changer for me. Those women who are particular about their health and want to boost their overall well-being, then this is the product for you ladies. And guys, I just love the product packaging a lot, and the fact that it comes up with a scoop, it is so much easy for me. And what to say about this delicious chocolate flavor, guys? It is absolutely yummy. So get your hands on HK Vital Women Up Protein today, and I got mine from hkvitals.com. You can get yours too now and enjoy some amazing health benefits. So I wish you the best health, and this was the product I really wanted to talk about today, guys. I really hope that you find the video helpful. I will make sure that I give the product link in the description box below. It is a great supplement for your overall well-being, guys. It is going to give you some amazing skin benefits. It is going to be amazing for your hair and for your overall well-being. So get your hands on it today. I highly recommend this product. It tastes delicious. It makes you feel all energized and it helps in making you control that extra pounds. So yes, this was it for this video. We'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I love you guys so much.